Today is the day where I'm getting my keys. Now
let's say you know it. Say what's your price. Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you know it. Say what's your price.
guys, today's the day I'm getting my keys. I'm so excited. So this morning I am going to go pick them up, and we're gonna go do our inspection. I'm a little bit late, but I don't feel away because the last time she was late, I'm also like, sometimes it be like that, okay? But I'm not like too late. It's probably gonna be like 5 minutes max. So just waiting for my Uber now. Then we're gonna head that side. I don't know if I'm gonna take this camera with me. So guys, we're in the new place. I'm literally so excited. Obviously the echoes are echoing, but it's so beautiful. I'm not gonna show you guys now because I think I am gonna shoot an empty apartment tour. And as much as I actually didn't want to shoot one because I've just kind of been about showing people where I stay. I feel like my makeup is so ruined from this is phone, but yeah, I've been a little bit about it because people get weird sometimes. They'll be DMing you saying they know where you live and all this weird stuff, which I was really trying to avoid this year because I'm not trying to catch that smoke. But I still feel like it's nice to do for the channel, and I do feel like a lot of you guys want it. Just please do me a small favor, guys. If I posted, or actually when I posted, please don't DM me telling me you know where I stay. That's really cool. I'm proud of you. However, you can keep that information to yourself. You can. You don't need to put that in my comments of the video. You don't need to DM it to me. You don't need to say it. I get it. You get it. It'll be our little secret. For safety purposes, guys, please don't do that. But anyways, I just got a new apartment. I'm just currently facing an issue that we have with my meter. We were able to upload electricity on, but now it's kind of giving a problem. Oh my gosh, look at my chin. But now we're having a problem with it, so I'm just waiting for the electrician to come, and then I'm gonna go back to my place, finish off packing. I think I want to buy one more box just in case. And I'm not going to be doing breakfast / lunch. Me and Rafila are going to go and eat together. Not eat, we're going to go have drinks and Havli later on. So for now, while I go get the box and stuff, I'll probably just grab myself something to eat, because one thing about me, guys, I'm picky. Up until I move here, I ain't cooking shit. Okay, so I have to buy myself a meal. My makeup officially looks like hot, but I'm back at home and I just went to Woolies to get myself lunch. What we have on the menu today for lunch is, let me show you. So first things first, we're going to be having a roast chicken Caesar wrap. This is how it looks. I'm really excited for it. I'm trying not to, like, because we ate wings last night, or like yesterday evening, I was like, today I'm not going to do that thing of like forcing myself to eat or like eating junk like the whole weekend just because I'm moving, because realistically I already turned my fridge on at the other place, so I can literally just take all the food that's here. There's really no excuse. So yeah, I got the wrap. Now I just got some iced tea. I know that one is a little bit of a change, but I really just wanted it. And then I just got some salami sticks. So that's gonna be me for lunch. When I'm done eating lunch, I'm just going to wash a few more of our dishes and then begin to sort of assemble packing. I forgot to get newspaper, which is what I wanted, or bubble wrap. I even forgot to ask about it when I went to Postnet just now, because I went to go buy another box. So I'm done. But Zippy's saying she's gonna go, so I'm gonna ask her to give me some, but I just want to organize it so long. And then also just pack up the rest of my room, because I had to leave quite a few of my makeup stuff out still because I was doing my makeup today, but now I can pack it. And also my clothes, guys, literally my clothes don't want to dry because the weather is so bad, and it's kind of giving me a lot because I obviously need to take them. Hi guys, so I'm here with Raffle Wear. You guys can't see her, she's it's so weird, this thing.
I was gonna say, she's doing what you should be doing.
Yeah. Rafina's helping me take some of the stuff to the apartment now. So what we gonna do is take some of these clothes up. I bought some clothes and a few other things, just some delicacies, things that are not delicacies. I don't know guys why it's so blurry, excuse me. I will try and figure it out, but as of right now, see you guys later.
One eternity later. The next day.
Hi guys, I haven't updated you this whole day because it's been a mazza that was happening. Basically this morning, well, let me hold my tripod is back guys, but this morning is when the movers came to move all my stuff, so everything is in, as you guys can see. I don't want to show you guys too much because I'll probably do an empty apartment. It won't be empty because all my stuff is here, but I will probably do an apartment tour after this. But me and Mbali is with me. I can't turn the camera around now though, but I'm with Mbali. We've made the first scope in the household just to solidify. I feel like we need to pray before we unpack.
We do.
Baby happy. But anyways, yeah, then we're gonna start unpacking everything. Well, not everything, just mostly my room stuff, so I can at least sleep for today. Then we will resume again tomorrow. Sine task because I have to go back to that other place, clean, and then, well, not clean, I'm not the one cleaning, but I have to open for the person who's coming to clean. And then Mbals and I are going to go and shoot in Rosebank. So life here is a bit of a maza, well, mine specifically, but it's fine.
I feel like mine as well.
Yeah, if my life is a mess, your life is a mess, okay? But you guys will see when we're unpacking maybe some of it.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, babe. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood that made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Can I tell us real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings or police killings.
That's when my good friend Umbali has made us our first meal in the apartment. Anda with avocado, cheese. You didn't even put spinach. I'm so upset. It's like you don't even know me. Oh, me too. It's Rinash and the babies. Guys, I'm going to be making our first cocktail in the new house because the bags under my eyes, hey, and the lalang. It looks so bad, but either way, wow, it's down. Yo, I look so bad. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna make our first drink. We are having. Okay, wait, let me. Umbali is making another happy, guys. My lungs don't stand a chance. We're having gin as per because we love gin in this house. What? Just learn how to break it. So I've already put ice. I'm just gonna make us say I don't even know how to actually make drinks. And just put in the papilla. Damn me. Okay. Then you want what? Dry lemon.
Yeah, dry lemon. Hey, dry lemon.
Dry lemon from Bailey and
From Bailey.
just a little bit of tonic.
From Bailey. Try me. See, oil me.
This thing is not even nice. It's not giving the vibes. It's not giving what it's supposed to give.
Yummy.
Anyways, guys, we don't even have a garnish, so we can look like we're having fruit salad, and it's down.
Oh shit, I'm not wearing a hat.
Where are my other straws, bruh? I'll give you the nice straw because I love you.
Yeah, you do it. Hey guys,
But yeah, you do.
welcome back to my channel.
I want a smaller one though. This one is big. Is it though? Yeah, it is. And then finally, we're gonna add tonic to mine.
Use the way in your head.
I have to. I literally have to. I'm not sure.
House bitch.
And then finally, we done. Bottoms up, clink clink to the new apartment. Okay,
To Sam's new house,
yes.
to many more blessings,
And that's all.
to prosperity,
And that's all.
to money,
And that's all.
to chankura, to mula, to Kishnoina, to me always being here.
Guys, my friend Yolanda made sure me and Bali ate today. She bought me lamb stew and ujek. I'm literally so happy. Thank you so much, Yolanda, if you're watching this. You're the best! For real. Morning, guys. So, I haven't spoken to you guys since Saturday, of which I didn't speak to you guys much. It was moving day and it was very stressful and there was a lot going on. Okay, today is Monday. It is still moving time. We are still moving in. We had planned that my friends are gonna come and help me on Sunday to move everything in, but by the time we got here, we were just tired. We were just so exhausted. We were just like, okay, we just chilled and just like celebrated me being in a new place. But today is Monday and for real, we're moving. Some updates that I want to show you guys about it. I will show you guys like throughout the vlog. It's just that Sissy is cleaning in the other room, so I just don't want to be in her space right now. But we kind of unpacked the whole bedroom for the most part. But my only problem was that my curtains, Umbali and I did this on Friday. We realized that my curtain hooks, the ones that I had in my old place, are too small and I need long, bigger ones. And the only place that I've seen them is at Macro, and it's kind of giving me a little shock, so I'm gonna have to go all the way to Macro. The Macro is really far, but yeah, we've done everything there, so we just need to get those so I can also put up the curtains in my living room, because it literally is giving me a little shock that there are no curtains up there. I could cry. So is that. And then right now I am unpacking my bathroom. I'll show you guys sort of how things are going in here. and then Sissy, she's unpacking my clothes. So let me show you guys. Okay guys, this is currently the state of my bathroom. I know I'm watching not a music video, a YouTube video back there, but kind of trying to fill this up with stuff, skincare and hair stuff. And then here it's the same, but this is mostly my drawer for where like I haven't used any of this stuff basically. And then I won't show you guys in there, actually it's still a bit of a mess. So this is me right now, but I'll show you guys like other parts of the apartment as the day moves on.
A few moments later.
You just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days till I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Just to cry for you. Do things when you want me to.
Hey guys, so it is much later on in the day. It's around 6, and Sissy, she left probably around 3ish. It was raining a lot, so she just had to stay for quite a while. So I was just didn't want to get in her way while she was working. She did so much today. So happy. So relieved, because without her help would have been a mess. But I'm just going to show you guys the area that she helped clean up. You guys will see that it's literally so clear. Guys, remember when there was boxes everywhere? She said nah. She said nah. She cleaned it up. I'm going to be selling this as well as the washing machine, so the people are just organized with me when they're coming to pick it up. I also decided to put my mirror here for the time being. These mirrors literally all over this apartment. Also, she did do some groceries. I know, guys, this is not super duper like organized, but it is what's gonna have to do for now. So I just got stuff that I'm gonna eat this week. And she did also pack my clothes for me. There is so much shit in here, guys. It's kind of shocking how many clothes I have. There is 4 of these, 4 piles in every single. This one even has 6, I think, 1, 2, 3, and then a 3 at the back. It's so much. So y'all, guys, that's me for now. Snee's gonna come soon to chill, but that is pretty much the end of this vlog. This was the moving the stuff actually in vlog. I know you guys didn't see a lot in this vlog, but hopefully I'll be able to show you guys more in the next coming vlog. I will do the empty semi-furnished apartment tour. I'm kind of just waiting for everybody to come and get their things that are not supposed to be here, like the fridge and the washing machine, so that I can show you guys the actual space without having all that stuff like missing. But yeah, for now it has been really nice vlog for you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Controller, yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go fast. Controller,